Welcome to the second part of latitudes and longitudes. In this, I'll be telling you about longitudes. Now, longitudes are, most people think it's not very important because we learn only two longitudes. I can only see latitudes, equator, but do I know prime meridian? Doesn't matter because I don't care about if I'm in the prime meridian or not. I'm not experiencing some major changes. This is because the prime meridian is only made for convenience. We could just set the whole time again. We could send the... Actually, I'll be explaining time in this video too. So, this is the prime meridian passing through England, right here. Passing through England. Can you see England? You can't see me. Okay, so it passes through England like that. That's the prime meridian. Now, what is the prime meridian? Is the 0-degree longitude. Now, we don't experience any changes over here. It's not very different from any other longitudes, but it's just for the sake of convenience, the base point of starting of time. So, this is the prime meridian. Let me find it. Yeah, it's here. So, this is the prime meridian. The line that goes up and up. So that's the prime meridian. And this is the prime meridian. And this is where time starts. Suppose this place is 2 hours plus. This place is 5 hours plus. India is 5 hours plus. Japan is 7 hours plus. This place is, but remember, when the international date line, when you cross it, it doesn't go plus 12. Above plus 12, no. After plus 12, it becomes minus 12. Weird. When you cross the international date line, you go back in time or forward in time. But this is only for convenience. Meaning, if you left for an airplane and you went and crossed the international date line and landed in China, you will be moving one day into the past to the future. If you move from China to USA or from USA to China, you would move one day to the past or one day into the future. But this is not time travel. You will age as normal. Suppose the flight was 1000 hours and the earth spins slow down and you traveled. If you aged and became 100 years when you reached, then it won't be like when you cross the international date line, you go back in time and you'll be again a small young man. No, not gonna work. This is because the international date line is made only for convenience. There is nothing known as time travel. Only if you move at speeds near to the speed of light, time travel can be possible. Okay. So, the international date line is here. When you cross it, you move one day into the future or one day into the past. Convenience terms. So, suppose this is Monday. This is Monday. Monday over here. In China, there's Monday. In India, there's Monday. But when you cross the international date line, in USA, it's Sunday. They haven't even gone to Monday. Weird. So now, what would happen if an airplane went and crossed and landed somewhere else? So suppose I got on a plane on Monday and I went across the international date line, landed in USA on Sunday. And then I have one extra day to prepare my work, business trip. Okay, so now let's back to the point about the time zones. There are many time zones and some countries have different time zones. They have more than one time zone. India is part of only one time zone, meaning if you're in Gujarat or if you're in Assam, the time will remain the same. Suppose in Pune it's 5:57. In Assam it's going to be 5:57. In Gujarat it's going to be 5:57. Because we are taking a standard meridian, 82.5 degrees east. So, time is based on this one line, the prime meridian, and this one line goes back. Once it hits the North Pole, it comes out as the international dateline. Meaning, the prime meridian and the international dateline are on one plane. Meaning, suppose we take a circle, we take it, put it on the earth. The international dateline goes down, 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 and from there it comes up, 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 up. It doesn't change direction. It goes in one straight line. They both are connected. Not like this, not like this, but like this. So, they're actually one circle. So, the prime meridian is the baseline, and if you move to the east, you're going forward in time, and if you move to the west, you're going back in time. Meaning, if you're in the prime meridian, maybe it's 12 o'clock. If you go over here, it'll be, if you have like instant teleportation, then when you're in England, you go to Russia, you go from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If you go to India, it'll be 12 o'clock to 5:30. If you go to USA, you'll be from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock. The prime meridian is the baseline. The prime meridian is the 0. If you go ahead, you'll go to +1, +2, +3. If you go behind, you go -1, -2, -3. Meaning, the time is always based on each other. If time is if you know the time difference, the longitudinal extent, if you know it, then if you're in USA and Germany, okay, you want to know what the time is in Germany, but you know the time in USA. If you know the longitudinal extent and every degree is 4 minutes and you multiply, then you can find out what time is in Germany without any help. How awesome is that? And as always, thanks for watching.